Hello and welcome. You asked for it, so here is the how I use Notion to journal every day video. Um, I'm gonna try and make it as simple as possible, even though it has evolved a little bit since we started, even though it's been a few weeks only. And I must say, it is inspired by Marie Pullen. I've watched several of her videos and tutorials on Notion because I've only started to really use Notion a few months ago. All right, so let's dive right in. Okay, so this is a page inside of Notion. So I created a database and it's displayed as a gallery view. You can display it however you want it, but I chose this specific view because I wanted to have like the covers with the days of the week, so I can see it at a glance. The build um, as the weeks went by. As you can see, I've only just started, so this is my fourth week journaling with Notion, and I'm very satisfied, especially because it can help me um, track most of the things, and I can see trends building up from just the 3 weeks, the 3 full weeks that I've been using this. And I can see trends that are starting to build. And inside of my daily journal, there are also three other databases that are related. I'll just show you. So I'm gonna start as if I hadn't done my journal for the day. So what I do is I open it as a page, so it's easier for me to see it. I just put the date, so October 6th. But I also input the date here because I use this information to make the sorting on my gallery view, so it's everything's where it's supposed to be. So I like tracking my level of happiness. So am I happy, am I overwhelmed, am I goofy, or is just those days where you're not really, you don't know how you feel. I have those days sometimes. I like starting by being grateful for something. So today I am very grateful for technology because yesterday I wanted to start reading a book. I found it on Kindle, and within less than 5 minutes I was reading the book that I wanted. So that's pretty cool for me. I like choosing 3 words for the day. So 3 words. I have a few here, but sometimes I just write down some others. So like today I'm feeling happy, relaxed, maybe not friendly, focused, happy, relaxed, and focused, maybe. I've been going for, a few days without any dairy, so I've been tracking that here. This is connected to my weekly agenda, so I've already set up the one for this week. So I'm adding it here, so it's all connected. When I go inside my weekly agenda, I can see all the entries of my journal for that week. I can include tasks here, so this is my master task list, and I can see everything um, in there, if there's any need for me. Also, it's linked to my reading database, which shows all the books that I'm reading for the moment. So it's not loading here for some reason, but it shows all the books, and I need to add the one that I started yesterday. I haven't added yet. And I have a template for each day of the week, and this is simply because today is Tuesday. So it adds, this icon, this cover page that I made. It's very simple. And I have here, my mini habits, which I filter for the exact date of today. And I also have my sleep diary, which I also filter for exact date today. You can see it shows here because I've done my journal for today. So this is what shows up, and this is you can see by this little arrow here that it's a related database, so you can always go to the original from this one. And in the original, I can also track the trends, what's been happening for my habits, and also have like the cool thing about using a table like this is that it can show you how many, the percentage of checked boxes for each of these that I'm checking, or the average when is the number. I also like to tell myself how was it, if it's, it's easy to do all my mini habits for the day. Did I had some trouble? Am I feeling super lazy? Something like that. I like keeping track of my sleep, so how I'm feeling, my dreams, my interpretations. I can open this up to show you how many hours did I spend in bed? Did I have any interruptions in my sleep? How was the quality? How I feel? I have a little device that I use to tell me, what's my readiness score in the morning, and that tells me just if my parasympathetic nervous system is working too much, or am I, sympathetic nervous system is working too much, and that tells me my level of stress for the day. HRV, same thing. Just keep a few things here, like quieting the mind, activities that quiet my mind, like meditation, reading, napping, contemplation. Those are the ones that I use. Digital sunsets, that's a topic for another discussion. And I like writing down the dreams that I have. I haven't done that yet, but I will do soon. And here's also a related database, which is my master task list. And this one is filtered by this, date is today and it's not done yet. So this is just for me to see what I have installed for the day, and that's something that I've done previously using my master task list. And that's pretty much it. And the great thing about it is that it, my journal, it shows up on my on my dashboard here. And in here I like doing I did 2 of them, so that's why there are 2 of them here. But I like to do them descending so I can see the last entry up top. But that's just my preference. What I really love is to see it build, and I'm pretty sure eventually I'm gonna have to filter, like to show just the current month or something of the sort. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can use this as a reference for you to start journaling. I think it's a very, very powerful tool for you to not only check how you're feeling, but also check how's your effectiveness, how are your goals. I have a separate database that shows me my goals, my dreams, and how to track them. And Notion is a very, very powerful tool to do that in a very visual, very beautifully designed way. And if you enjoy this one, I actually made it available for you at my Gumroad page. I'm putting the link down below. If you're interested, just go check it out. And let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, let's talk about journaling some more. Okay, bye.